Who are you? You can't come in here. Whoa! Hi, I'm Lily. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Come on in. This seat is taken. Go away! Come and sit with us. There's lots of room. Right here. I'm glad you're here. You can't play! We already started! Do you want to play with me? Yes, cat! Hi, I'm Lily. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you want to play? Say it tomorrow. Bye-bye!